Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Breakdown Automotive. Today we are doing our final video with the 4 Series. It is the final farewell. So to say goodbye, we thought we would ruin it. Or more specifically, ruin its tires. So let's jump into a video of me attempting to do a donut for the first time really ever. Alright, we've got all the cameras set up, I suppose. Nick says I'm ready to go. I suppose I should turn this off. DSC. Dynamic Stability Control deactivated. Now, I don't know that this is a good idea. I don't think it is. But we're gonna figure out. We're gonna figure it out. It's a bit smoky. Alright, so it's definitely a thing that happened. That was really good though. I'm gonna go ahead and land the drone. Alright guys, so that's it. And actually I think that's it for the 4 Series too. The tires are gone. In 15 seconds, they're gone. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Downforce so we can buy a new set of tires for the 4 Series in order to keep making more videos with it. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more content like this. Well, not like this, but more automotive content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.